Hi everyone, come and join me. Let's draw and color sadness from Inside Out movie. Let's begin by drawing her big round glasses. Next, her eyes. Her eyebrows, nose and lip. Let's draw the shape of her face and hair. Sadness often feels like crying and moving slowly. Even though she feels down, she's very caring and helps Riley understand her feelings. Next, her scarf. Sadness helps Riley talk about her feelings. The shape of her body wearing her cozy sweater. And her hand. Sadness helps us feel better after we cry. Lastly, her pants and shoes. Nice work! Let's add color to sadness. First up, we have black on her eyes. Next is dark shade of blue on her glasses. Then, light shade of blue for her skin. A blue on her hair, pants and shoes. Finally, light shade of gray on her sweater. Amazing! Sadness shows us that it's okay to feel sad sometimes. We hope you enjoy it. Until the next video.